So yesterday I made almost $500 on a channel that is not monetized. It's only 700 subscribers and only 1 month old. When I was already editing, I realized I covered the dog and nobody's gonna subscribe. So life hack number one, post a pet in a frame or nobody's gonna like you. You may think I'm bragging about something, but actually not. And if you look down, I have only 10 subscribers now on this channel, so you may ask, how is this possible? And if you bear with me, I'm gonna explain how I've done that. So basically you need to listen to a story to understand. This is my 10th channel. I had many channels in my life. They went different directions. Mostly I talk about finance and traveling. My biggest channel is 22,000 subscribers and I was using it for a long time, for about 6 years, and it stopped growing a long time ago, about 4 years. So recently I decided, okay, what if I move my live streaming audience to a separate channel? So I created a live streaming channel, and basically that's the channel we are talking about. Now it's 700 subscribers and $450 I made yesterday. That was from donations. Actually, I got only 100 live viewers, and total views till the stream ended, I think it was about 700. So we're talking about over $500 CPM, but only for one stream. You may have already listened to these bold claims like, hey, uh, I have this special technique that makes 100, 500, $1,000 CPM, like crazy numbers. But to be real, you see, I moved existing audience from a bigger channel to a specialized live streaming channel. That's first detail. Second, not all channels are born equal. For example, if you gain 700 subscribers with shorts, you will never get this high CPM on your channel. And third would be the profile of audience. So people know me for a long time, and those people were my audience from a finance channel, so they probably have more money than people who watch funny cats videos. And if we look at the bigger picture, like for example how much I made from this channel in the first months, I tried to calculate, but it's difficult to give you the exact number. I think in 1 month I earned about $800 total from live streaming, because sometimes I use donation alerts, sometimes other payment methods, they take small commission fee. So I think net revenue from that live streaming channel would be about $800 in the first month. The channel is not monetized. I didn't even apply for monetization. Now they have a program for like members, sponsorships, whatever from YouTube, and basically what you need to know, YouTube normally takes bigger cut for the donations people can make through YouTube. So I didn't even bother to use that feature, and probably I lost some revenue because it's available, I think, from 500 subscribers, and I already have 700. So the idea of this video is not to talk about like live streaming and donations. This channel I created for content creators who already have some audience and struggle to monetize it. In this example, I'm trying to show you that you don't really need AdSense to earn money from your content, from your videos on YouTube or any other platform. Basically, if you like to stream on Twitch or any other streaming platform, you can earn money without their monetization program from donations. That depends on what value people see in your content. So I promised you a story. Okay, we live in a village. We live in a village currently, and my wife has a Facebook account. But about, I think, 9 months ago, her Facebook page got sensitive. Whatever this means, probably in a heat of an argument, she posted some comment that was not politically correct, and the platform shadow banned her profile. Anyways, I don't know much about Facebook, but what I know is she was earning about $1,000 from that page before, and after that it stopped growing. So she created another page under her profile. I think in Facebook you have a personal page and then you can create up to 10 uh, thematic pages under it. So she created a page under her 120,000 shadow band profile, and this page got over 50,000 subscribers separately. So recently she started posting to this page again, and the money from monetization started growing. Basically, what I'm trying to say, many people think that the more subscribers you have, the more money you will get from monetization. And it cannot be further from the truth. Actually, we found out in most social media nowadays, you will get like spikes, boosts, pockets of time when you can earn much more than normally. So you may think that normally channel growing like this, you earning like this, bigger and bigger amounts, but actually it looks like this. Look, like for example, almost zero, then boom, and then it's falling, and then you wait, you keep posting, boom. So you have like separate pockets when you get viral boost for your channel, when a platform is giving you views. That uh, pocket of time limited is limited. So what she noticed, her audience asked her to make content from the specific city. In the beginning they subscribed for a city content, and now we have like a village content. So they don't really like it, and they ask us to move to the city. So in my live streaming channel, I created like this donation goal yesterday. Like I explained, hey guys, we have this viral opportunity. Our page is growing, but we don't have money currently to move to the city. We live in a village, so let's raise some donations to go to the city. And in one stream, I just earned $450, just like this. That depends on the audience and how much they like your ideas. You wouldn't even think like that somebody would donate $450 for a goal, but that's true. That happened to me, and I think we will move to the city soon to create some more viral content that audience likes, and try to earn more money from Facebook monetization. Sometimes I get carried away and I don't know how clear is my message. Anyway, I'm trying to help creators to monetize their content. So what I'm trying to say is that you need to make a strategy and think in advance what kind of people you attracting. Sometimes you get like people who have money, not many. You need one, two, three people who have money, and they will buy your product, they will donate for your goal, they will subscribe to your Patreon or whatever, and this brings more money than normal standard monetization. For example, if my small channel got monetized, if it had like 1,000 subscribers, because I already have many watch hours, more than needed for applying for monetization. And normally small content creators, they struggle to get 4,000 watch hours. So if you need a life hack, just go streaming. If you have some audience, you go streaming, you will get watch hours, trust me. So if my channel was monetized, I would probably earn like up to $1 per stream. My streams get on average 1,000 views. So I made about 27 streams this month, and I could earn $27 from monetization if my channel was monetized. Maybe 30, maybe 40. 40, that tops. So this is the power of community. And if you want to start a community, if you already have an audience but you don't know how to monetize, you don't know how to engage, communicate with them, you should try School. It's 14-day free trial. The link in the description. I explained everything, how you can communicate with your audience. You can sell digital products, courses, or just share your story and speak with like-minded people. And if you like the information, just subscribe. I'm trying to post regularly and grow this channel and share my experience on how to monetize with content creators. Thanks.